we've got 3 ballpoint pens. I think they are. What's this one do? Help. Oh, poor old explorer's gone into the cooking pot. I don't know what he is. Coming out of a pineapple? This here must be a sumo wrestler, I feel. So this is great fun for kids when they're at school and they need to play with something while they're listening to lessons, because the other end is just an ordinary ballpoint pen. And when you push that down, that's a perfectly good pen to write with. So is that one. So they all work as pens, but at the same time, they're a lot of fun for kids to play with. So something which combines toy value with something they can do which is purposeful, in this case educational. It's a very nice concept, that. And these are a whole collection I've got of biros. These are ballpoint pens, and these are really amongst the top ones, I think. So this is a little potpourri of things I found sometime about 8 years ago, I think it was. And I've made an amalgam. This one is extraordinary because I don't know what this one is, actually. Let's hold up the camera, see if you can. I'll see if I can right around. Yes, BELK like that. It says on it BELK, and it then says something about a toiletry item. Got it? So if I open up now, what do I find inside? Bizarre. Bizarre. Oh, this black stuff, is that slightly roughened? A bit like half a Velcro. It's something you do this to take off hairs or something, or crumbs off your clothes, perhaps. And what's this then do? Does that clean the bristles afterwards? Perhaps, I don't know. But something I'm a bit mystified because they called it a toiletry item, and it's not what I would refer to. It's a grooming item, I suppose I call it. Anyway, it's a bit of fun. And I came from the same case as the other two. This is a bizarre little thing which I found in that case as well, because it makes a nice noise. But even better when you hold this end, and it seems to almost talk. It's got rosin powder there, or a rosin layer there, and this is like a little like a little drum skin, I think it is. Let's put it this way, and then you can see it's actually supposed to be a bee, but he's missed one of his wings at the top here. And this little rod then has rosin powder in the middle there, and you either whirl it in the air like that. It's okay, it makes a noise, but it's more fun when it is an action like this, which I think I can almost get it to talk. Oh, that's better. Very nice. Almost too loud, isn't it? Extraordinary. So great amplification, because that's like a little drum skin on the end there, like that. So it's a craft toy, but a very, very unusual one, and I've found nothing like it before or since. I suppose it's another bee toy as well. The last item is particularly nice one, because it's something a friend of mine showed. It's something you can make yourself with this wonderful plasticized paper, which is comes in sheets and then it acts because it can't be torn, but it can be photocopied on. So if we undo the little safety pin that's holding it, no, the paper clip, this undergoes an astonishing transformation. 2 rings. What's it turn into? Something totally unexpected. Turns into a square. Isn't that astonishing? And you see how it's been made. You just take these and bend it over because it's nice flexible paper. And then we've got 2 rings as a starter. And then you bend these round to form a 3rd ring. But those coincide, so it makes 2 rings. So something quite extraordinary happened here, because here we are. Here's another step which I haven't undone. That thing in the middle transforms into a square. Quite extraordinary. So this stuff is very, very versatile, and this is a very fine bit of topology, something which doesn't need any more than changing the shape. It doesn't actually change the substance at all. So great fun to play with. You should look out for this. It's very versatile.